Hi guys, Paige over at Desert Wind Harley-Davidson, and we're back with another awesome Red Friday. Red Friday is a way to show your deployed troop support by wearing red on Friday. This is our friend Liz Paulus with College Bound AZ.
College Bound is a program that helps students get to college. Our sophomore project is all year long, and it's called the Veterans History Project, where we are able to pair a service member with our sophomores who then get to learn about history, get to learn about what it means to serve in the military. They take that story, photographs, put it together in a package, and it goes to the Library of Congress, where that service member gets a web page of their own at the Library of Congress, so it's pretty cool.
So come in this Friday wearing red and get one of these awesome bookmarks and a challenge coin.
So tell me a little bit about College Bound AZ.
Sure, College Bound is about getting students to college. Sometimes it's a little intimidating, so we work with students starting in the 8th grade all the way through high school to build that culture for college and to build that win-win scenario where they see themselves moving on to college. So it's a pretty successful program, and we encourage people to look in on it and participate if they can. So thank you.
Good. We're back.
Yeah, that's what you said, and it was really good.
My friend. College Bound AZ. Okay, Liz Paulus, College Bound AZ. This is Liz Paulus.
From College Bound AZ. Our part of
Red Friday is a way to show your deployed troops some support by wearing red on.
Oh, God. Okay.
Okay.
Ride with the wind. Desert Wind Harley-Davidson.